Today we are going to be creating a really simple and easy wall art piece using a wood panel from Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I thought I would share a really simple, easy DIY using a Dollar Tree products to create a wall decor piece. And I just want to say welcome to all those of you who are new to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love it if you did. So tap the bell to keep up to date with what I have to share. And I'm so happy to have all my returning subscribers. So let's hop into the project. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need for this project are a wood panel, some decorative napkins, some Mod Podge, I'm using the matte finish, and these paper butterflies. Now, I purchased my paper butterflies from a craft store called Dollarama here in Canada. I have seen them in Dollar Tree. I've seen lots of people haul them. I have also seen them at another dollar store called Your Dollar Store with More. If you can't find the wood panel, go ahead and use a canvas. Some additional supplies that I'll be using is a paintbrush, some scissors, and I'm going to be using an ink pad. But if you can find some other color of butterflies, go right ahead. I have the white and I'm going to be tinting them myself. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is add a generous amount of Mod Podge to the surface of your wood panel board. Once you have a generous amount of the Mod Podge on your panel board, you are going to separate the 2-ply napkin. So you just need the top layer. Now you're going to add your napkin to the panel board. We're going to have some texture showing, but that's all right. Now you're going to go over the top with a layer of Mod Podge to seal it all in. Now I'll just take my finger and smooth things out a bit. Allow to dry. Okay. While the canvas is drying, I am going to prep my butterflies. Now, they do have other colors of butterflies, but I preferred the white ones, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I am going to be going in and just coloring up the edges of the butterfly using my ink pad. Once dry, I am going to remove the excess napkin from the panel board. The excess has been cut off. I decided to go back in and paint the edges of my canvas board just with a creamy color paint. You can purchase this paint at Dollar Tree as well. Now I've just gone in and inked up the edges of the canvas board. Now I'll go in and add my butterfly embellishments using the clear tacky glue. I've got this plastic sheet and I am going to flip my canvas board upside down. And I have the canvas sheet so it doesn't stick, and then I'm going to add some weight to the back of the canvas to help weigh it down so those butterflies stick well till dry. You could go back in and seal the edges using some of your Mod Podge and the seal off the butterflies. I am choosing not to do that. A really simple, easy art piece for your wall decor.